Coming up in this video, we're going Dead Man's Fingers Hazelnut, and I've got a lovely kind of Toffee Pineapple cocktail for you. Stay tuned. Hey drinks fans, I am Steve the Barman, and I'm hoping these videos help you drink, serve and enjoy your favourite drinks, your favourite spirits, liqueurs even more. I love giving you drinks inspiration, that's what I'm all about. Today's inspiration comes in the form of DMF's final flavour to feature on my channel, Hazelnut. I love this hazelnut kind of rum. I'm a big Nutella fan as well, so that's where that comes from. There is other hazelnut rums on the market. Belgrove's is a proper hazelnut rum as well, but this is lovely. I do love this. It's Cornish, not anymore, but DMF is a Cornish brand. It will always be a Cornish brand, even though it's made up in Liverpool now or wherever it is. Right, hazelnut. This is kind of a toffee pineapple kind of short drink. Love it, absolutely love it. So let's crack on. Gonna make it in a cocktail shaker. First ingredient I want is some DMF hazelnut, and I want 35 ml for this one. Could go a bit more if you wanted to, but 35 ml. Next ingredient you want is some toffee vodka. Where's my toffee vodka? There it is. I'm going JJ's toffee vodka liqueur, whatever you want to call it. It's 28% ABV, so it's quite healthy. So even though that was 35, I'm going 15 ml of this. It should be plenty strong enough for you. So 15 ml of the rum, 15 ml of toffee vodka, and then want some sugar. Now I did think about playing around with some orgeat sugar, or I've got hazelnut sugar as well, maple, cinnamon, all that kind of stuff. But I just thought, let's keep this just plain and simple, just for now. So I'm going 15 ml of sugar syrup. And then I want some lemon juice. So I've got some freshly squeezed lemon juice here. I just want 10 ml of lemon juice. And then the final ingredient I want is some pressed, freshly pressed pineapple juice. Not freshly pressed, it's a supermarket owned brand that I use, but it is pressed stuff, not the concentrate stuff. All right, so, and I want 50 ml of this, 50 ml of pineapple juice. Pressed pineapple juice. So it's essentially hazelnut, toffee, pineapple. This is absolutely delicious. I love this. Right, I'm going to ice that down. This bit needs no introduction either. Come on guys, you're getting into the hang of this now. Absolutely love some of the names coming through. There's a lot of you, thank you so much. Guys, I need a name for this cocktail, please. We can't call it a toffee and hazelnut thing. We just need to give it a name. So we've got some crazy names. The whole DMF hazelnut. We've got toffee vodka. We've got pineapple juice. Come on, let's get some names. You can always download my free cocktail book. That's completely free. Just see any of the comments, especially in this video. Just look at the comments, you'll get the link for that. The whole purpose of naming the cocktails, they go into my updated cocktail book, which is a perk of my Patreon membership tiers. Lots and lots of value in my Patreon. I love to give back, so much stuff. Go and check that out. Right. And big thank you as well, nearly forgot them as well. Thank you to my Patreons for supporting me. Love you guys. Names on the screen. Thank you. Right, hard and fast shake. All right, there we go. The pineapple, look at the pineapple juice. Woohoo! Pineapple juice, let's froth that up. Right, just need to single strain this into our rocks glass. And then just going to top it up with some fresh ice. Lovely, lovely. And then to finish, to garnish, I've got a slice of pineapple, which should curl nicely. This actually got a bit left as well. Let's go. Is that one better? Go on, must have. There we go. That's a better one. And then a little sprig of mint. How's that? Make it look pretty. And there we go. Right, popping up on screen will be even more Dead Man's Fingers cocktails for you to dive into. What's this taste like? toffee. Oh, toffee, hazelnut, and pineapple. It's a weird combination for me, but oh boy, that works so well.